Okay, since we have finished our lesson last week, today we have to discuss about our new lesson, which is about word processing. So please write down the heading because it's still actually we had started the class is a small delay. So let's make it faster. And please write down the heading, word processing tools. Word processing tools. Right, that is our new topic today. So we are going to discuss about word processing tools. Right, under that, so let me remind how actually I started learning word processing. Actually, I started learning word processing in 19, as I remember the date is right, it is like 1996 I started learning this. So at that time actually we didn't have computers with GUI in my school. I can remember the computers that we had was CLI, right? Computers that we had was CLI, command line interface tools, right? So this CLI version basically, so I think we experienced that also. We have created CLI based tables, folders, files. Can you remember the command line? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Command prompt. Can you remember? So we had to give a. So this is
Yes, sir.
this is the command line in Mac OS. So earlier when I turn on a computer, when we turn on a computer, it looks like this. Totally text only. So looks like this. No graphics, no mouse even. Hide the mouse. Let's go somewhere, right? Okay. So this looks like this. So everything need to be fed using this. Everything need to be inserted using commands like this. Let's say I'm asking ls, show in the folders, clear in the stream, and let's say mkdir Dasun. It's creating a folder called Dasun. Then ls minus l and c. Or I can go inside cd Dasun, go inside that folder, and ls nothing is there. Ls minus l, nothing is there. cd double dot to come back, and I can delete the folder by rmdir Dasun, and it will delete the folder. And if I try to go to the folder now, you can see the folder is not there. No such file or directories. Anyway, everything is inserted using commands. So that's what I want to tell. Right? No need to learn all these commands. This is actually Linux commands, and Mac OS also we are using the same commands. But no need to know about these commands for the moment. So if you really want, you can learn this separately. So if you are coming to our programming class, you will be learning some, because in the programming also we need to give computer instructions. So I think you know that there's a separate programming class going on for grade small kids, calling teen programmer and junior programmer. There are two courses introduced by us, teen programmer and junior programmer. And teen programmer focusing on developing games and all using Scratch programming language. But junior programming is a bit advanced, focusing on graphical user interface development, command line tool development, web-based tool development, and also desktop application development. It's kind of advanced program. And if
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
When do you conduct the programming class?
Programming class, basically there are two classes. The junior programming is going on, I think it's on Wednesday evening. The other one is going on Sunday, as I remember. So if you're interested participating, so please send me the details, then I can add you to the relevant groups, and then you can get information about that, right? So if you are interested, please let me know. Yes.
Sir, I have created mobile apps.
Mobile apps. Is it using Android or iOS?
I mean, from a specific software. I mean, I can create using the computer.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so you can just share me those stuff if you really like. So then I can also share with our friends. So that means other students, because we can inspire them by sharing that. Anyway, so my intention was explaining the main intention is to explain what CLI is. And we had in 1996, when I started learning, we had this kind of tool, Word Perfect. Yes.
So I came right now. What did you do?
So we were just we have just started the lesson and discussing about word processing, right? And just telling about word processing history. And I use this kind of tool, Word Perfect 5.1. So this is the tool that I have used in my school age. And it looks like this. This is not graphical use, it's CLI. So it has capability to edit a small text file by adding various things and maybe adding CLI controllers like tables and all, and maybe changing the font color, changing the font style. Small things what was possible with this kind of app. This is command line interface, but it's not like interesting one. Now we can do more with word processing tools. If you open MS Word, so what are the word processing tools that you know? Can you give a few examples?
Office Writer.
Yes, Open Office Writer. It's a correct one, right? Let's write few examples for this also, right? Word processing tools. Initial, so please write under that. Initial focus was to edit text and do modifications to the text. Applications such as Notepad helps this purpose. But later, features like charts, images, links, multimedia, automation, artificial intelligence.
The screenshots, charts.
Yes. Artificial intelligence.
Icons.
Yes. Icons. Video.
Hyperlinks.
Yes, many things. You can see here also tables, pictures, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, charts, screenshots, symbols, advanced tools. You can see many, right? Many. This is for automation, mainly.
Shapes.
Sorry?
Shapes.
Yes, shapes. Yes. Features like charts, images, links, multimedia, automation, artificial intelligence,
Drawings.
various shapes and drawings.
The drawings.
Sorry?
The drawings.
Drawings.
No, sir, drawings.
So it's not clear for me. So can you repeat or can you send it in the chat? Okay, were added to these software programs. Added to these software programs. Please write down this. Okay. Yes, drawings. Yes, that I have added here. That's what I asked. Drawings, yes, need to be added, right? Okay, that's correct answer. Shapes, various shapes and drawings were added to these software programs.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
The first software which is used for word processing is WordStar.
yes, WordStar.
Sir, we can add macros.
Yes, map. Many things can be added right now. Now it's like versatile.
The time.
Yes, time, maps, symbols, word arts, media. Now it is versatile. That it can add many things, right? Can't limit. Okay, examples. In past, so WordStar. WordStar, you can see Word Star, Word Perfect. This is WordStar. There is also DOS-based tool or command line-based tool. WordStar, Word Perfect. Present or now we are using MS Word and can use Abbey Word, Open Office, Writer, Libre Office, Writer. So these two are free.
Apple Keynote.
Yes, Keynote. These are free.
The MS Word is not free, right?
MS Word is not free.
Abbey
WordPad.
Word.
Sorry?
Abbey Word.
Abbey Word. It's Abbey Word. I cannot remember. It's a free. Abbey is, I think, free. So let's search alternatives too. And you can find like many versions, right? If you search Abbey Word. There are around 62 alternatives. LibreWriter is free and Notion is also there's a premium. Microsoft Word, Apache Office, Open Office Writer, Pages. Pages is free for Mac OS. LaTeX is also, and WPS Writer.
Sir,
Yes,
Coral Word Perfect, Drop.
yes, Coral Word Perfect. That is WP. That's what I said.
Apple Livework, Apple Text Edit,
Text Edit. There are many, right? Keynotes.
Google Docs.
Google Docs, yeah, this very important one. The cloud one. Cloud app.
The notepad.
Yes, Notepad was, I just mentioned it over there. There are 5 gift, right? Google Docs.
Sticky notes.
Keynote. So just write few examples. No need to write everything, then it's like more, right? Abbey Word is, it seems, yeah. It's free, it seems.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What word processing software do you use?
I'm using Microsoft Word 365.
Sir, what is the general?
Sorry?
What package? 2013 or
No. The version is 365.
that means it access internet.
Sorry?
That means it access internet.
Normally the recent versions, it has access to the internet. 365 also. 365 is basically, so I have a Microsoft account. So through that, I'm using 365. It's free for me through the Microsoft account. So because my institute is registered with Microsoft and therefore they're providing accounts and I'm using that version. So otherwise, normally it's paid, right? 365, so you have to pay and buy it. This is a paid version. But Google Docs is a free, again, Google Docs is a free alternative, but it's a cloud version. Free. So please write down these examples, right? If you're finished, please let me know, then I can proceed. Right, so nowadays, if you take these word processing means it's editing text. Now, general idea is editing text. But now with these modern things and modifications, it can do more. For an example, if I insert a picture, so let's insert a picture by go to the picture and then I'm going to select picture from file. And I'm going to insert a picture, this one. Let's insert this image. Okay, let's insert this. Now I have a picture over there. So unlike the earlier versions of word processing, now it's possible to edit this. So see how many editing features are there. You can also do this simultaneously. With me, you can also do this. How to insert picture? Go to Word and insert.
So go to insert pictures and we can select a picture.
Yeah, picture from file. Picture, then picture from file. Or you can go to the online pictures, right? You can go to the online pictures and even you can search it in the internet. It will be connecting you to the internet and you can search over there and just insert. But it will take some time. But anyway, so here you can see picture of a bird if you want. It's using the Bing browser, B-I-N-G, Bing. Then it will list you the Creative Commons. Creative Commons means it's free. You can use these images without any copyright. Those are free to copy. Right? You can click on one picture and insert. That will insert the picture. Right? It will download and insert. It will take some time, but still you can try this. Okay, anyway, let's say you have inserted the picture. And after inserting, sorry.
If we insert a picture but like that, we can't move it now. So we can put text box and insert the picture to that.
No, that is not required, Pute. So if you want to move the picture to different location, just right click on the picture and go to wrap text and select this in front of text. Right click on top of the picture, wrap text, W-R-A-P, wrap text, and then in front of text. Or you can select whatever here, but my recommendation, select in front of text. Right click on the image, wrap text, in front of text, then you can move this freely to anywhere that you like.
Sir,
Okay.
can you show the note again?
You need to show see the note.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the note. Let's see. So it's
Okay, sir.
okay. So now the picture that I have inserted, you can also try the same, right? Picture that I have inserted, I can click on the picture. Then you can see the menu here. And I can go to the format picture ribbon, the last one. After inserting the format picture ribbon, the last one, I'll go there. And I can do various editings. For an example, I can remove the background. One click, removed. You can see now picture is there without the background. If you think that this background selection is not perfect, you can refine the background, right? You can just go picture format, background removing, and you can refine this here. You can add areas or remove areas or mark areas. If you want to mark areas to remove. So let's say if you want to mark this area also. and that will also be removed. If you want to mark areas to keep, you can just add like this. You can see the areas added. You can refine this. Mark areas to add, and you can just refine this need to be added.
Excuse me, sir, I can't find it.
Which one?
That mark areas like
Which version you are using?
2007.
That one, it's not there, Bhute. I think it's too old.
Sir,
I think.
what are you using? Which year means? Which year, sir?
The version that I'm using,
Yes, sir.
it is Office 365, one of the most recent one.
Okay,
Sir,
sir,
what
thank you.
about 2010?
2000?
10?
2000?
Sir, I can't do that, sir.
I think your version is somewhat old, no? Is that so?
I guess.
Right, okay, let's see how it's happened in the other versions also. Then others can also learn, no? So let me stop my screen and I'll let you share your screens. So can you share your screen? Then we can share this with others.
Sir, I had share my screen, sir. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, can see Rehansa. So can you go to Word? I think your version is 2010 version. Since your Word is 2010 version, can you insert image over there? Go to insert.
Okay, sir.
Insert menu. Then picture. And open a picture. Okay, that frozen
Sir,
one. Frozen one.
Okay, sir.
Right. If you want to move this picture to location, another location, just right click on the picture. Right click on the picture. Wrap text. Wrap text. Third one from the bottom. Yeah, that one. Then use in front of the text. In front of the text. No, right click. Again, right click again. Wrap text. Third one from the bottom. And then in front of the text. Top. Oh, you can use, yeah. That one. Then you can move that. Yeah, move then that from one location to another location. Okay. So now you have to edit the image. Go to the format. The last one, which is format. Last ribbon, last item, which is format. No. Ribbon madam. Click on the image. Click on the image, otherwise you won't see that. Image go to click kara. Please click on the image. Photo එක click කරන්න පුතේ. ඔයා ගත්ත frozen photo එක click කරනවා. දැන් format කියලා එකක් පේනවා. Format එක තියෙන්නේ අර අන්තිමටම ribbon එකේ තියෙන අන්තිමටම උඩ ribbon එක that arrow, please see that. Now you can see background remove background. You can see the first one. Right. Now you can see it's there, no? 2010 also it's there. You can add to the background and you can remove from the background. That is there. 2010 version is also there. Then 13, 16, all other versions should have this. Right. After doing, you can just do the keep changes and then you can see. Just click on the keep changes button after doing this.
Sir, what about 2007?
2007 should have, I think. Let's see. So can you share this? Okay, share the screen.
Still we can't share.
Now you can. (2007) in 10 version, if it is there, I think in 7 should be, right?
Yes, sir.
Just insert a picture. Penguins, yeah, that one. Just go to the
No,
format. In the format, recolor recent pictures, right? Okay, those things are there, but yeah. Remove background option is not there. That is so please update your version to at least 2010. I mean, then I think can
Okay, sir.
right. Okay,
Okay.
so that's the version problem. Okay, so but other versions you have this, right? So other versions you have this. You can see here how I have removed the picture. So then I can insert this character to anywhere. So without the background, I can move. So that is the advantage, right? In Word, now you have these features, right? That is the most advanced, most important thing. And not only that, you can just click and you can do the color correction. This one, see, this is there in the old versions also. I can make it more colorful like this, or I can make it less colorful. So by going to the color corrections, let's say so something like this, average, or something less like this. So let's move to, let's make like this, somewhat okay. Then colors also, I can make it black and white like this, or I can make it some other color like this. Let me take the previous one with the background.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I edited the picture using the 2007 package.
What you have done?
Sir, I edited the picture using 2007 MS Word.
Right up. Yeah, editing features are there. The color correction, recoloring, changing colors, these kind of black and white, making it black and white, and making it some other color like this. So those options are there in any other version, right? Artistic effects, you can put effect like this. It's look like drawing. Here, this is also some other effect. So looks like a wall art. Likewise, can make differences, can add effects using this format for format picture. The artistic effects, the transparencies, and you can even edit the artistic fix options. You can go to this one and you can see it's the diffuse bar. Just do some editing and see. Here in
I had to do that.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's good. So you can just make it line art like this, and you can even change this, right? Artistic effect options, and you can just control the effects. Yeah, effect, how to apply this effect. Is it too much or like this? Likewise, smoothness of the image. You can control this and make it like looks like art, drawing. Just see, and you can add the shadows. Right, you can add shadows like this, and you can add gloss, reflections like this. Here, see how reflections are added. When you add a reflection, here, it's reflects. It looks like water effect. And so transparency, you can control size of the reflection. You can control. Glow effect you can add. The glow effect means like border and some glowing to the background. Yes.
Sir, when will the class over? When will be the class over?
Sorry.
When will the class end?
So today actually we started by 8:15. So it will go up to 9:15, right?
Okay, sir.
You can change the colors of this glowing. And reduce the size of glowing. Reduce the transparency level of glowing. So likewise, you can do more with this, right? The same image, single image, you can edit a lot. So let's remove the reflection. Okay, try to edit the image. So you can see many editing tasks are there, editing topics are there, or editing effects are there under picture format. You can apply the quick styles, you can apply the borders, you can make it like 3D like this. Right, using the quick styles. Okay, these things are there in the, even though it's word processing, these components are there. Or you can crop the image and take a part of that. You can crop the image and take part of this image. If I want this girl only, you can crop this like and take the part of the image. Right. So can you try this? This. So actually I have sent the tube to you, but it's better to redraw the screen again and just remind the things. Let's remind the things again. So you can just draw the interface, and this is showing the interface. Basically in the corner, so see the real interface. You can see there are some tools. This is called quick access toolbar. You already know this, actually, we discussed this. This part is called quick access toolbar, this top part. And then you have the ribbons. You can see file ribbon, home ribbon, insert ribbon, home ribbon, insert ribbon, draw ribbon. Likewise, you have ribbons. And this one is the grade 7, day 19. This part is called title bar. After the quick access toolbar, you have the title bar. And the bottom, you have the menu ribbon. File menu, sorry, file ribbon, home ribbon, and all. Then you have the minimize, maximize, close buttons. And vertical rule as well as the horizontal rule also you can see here. These are in inches. You can see the horizontal ruler, and you can make it centimeters, right? Just right click and format it, or yes, and you can go to the rule options and format it. And then you can make it centimeters. If you don't like inches, you can add the rule options in centimeters. Then the next is vertical ruler, horizontal ruler. Here you can see. And this is actually document formatting, but if you go to view and the ruler, so you can remove the ruler by going to the view ruler. In the view menu, if you keep the ruler, you can see the rule options. View, untick the ruler, you will not see the ruler. But recommendation is keep the ruler like this. And the next thing is vertical ruler and horizontal ruler. Next thing is work area. And you can see the word count over there. Here you can see 4,978 words and 30 pages. And currently I'm in the 28th page. Page info, word count, work area, and the view ribbons. These are the view ribbon, view buttons. Actually, you can change the view, change the basic view, page layout view. It looks like this, and the point format, draft format, and then the print format. right? Print layout, web layout, outline layout, and draft layout. And this is the zoom panel, can be used to zoom the screen. So please draw this quickly, right? You can use the ruler, no need to draw everything. Just use the ruler and mark these areas. In your book, if you can do this, it's great, because you have the tute, I know that, but better if you can draw this.